Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Peerspace, Rent Unique Venues, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Peerspace is a venue rental app designed to help users find and book unique spaces for events, meetings, photo shoots, workshops, productions, and more. Instead of traditional rentals, Peerspace focuses on creative and short-term spaces such as studios, lofts, galleries, rooftops, conference rooms, and luxury homes. It's available on both iOS and Android and makes it easy for hosts and guests to connect through a transparent listing and booking system. The app's main feature is its listing catalog. You can browse thousands of venues with detailed photos, hourly pricing, amenities, and reviews. Users can filter by space type, size, location, and purpose, making it straightforward to find exactly the kind of venue they need. Peerspace also supports direct communication with hosts for questions, special requests, or clarifications before booking. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its wide selection of spaces, clear pricing, and smooth booking experience. Creators, event planners, and businesses often consider it a reliable platform because the listings are usually well verified, and hosts tend to provide flexible accommodations. The app's focus on creative spaces makes it especially popular for photo shoots, filming, workshops, and corporate meetings. However, there are some drawbacks. Venue availability varies depending on the city. Major metro areas have more options, while smaller cities may have limited listings. Prices can also be higher during peak times, and additional fees, like cleaning or overtime charges, may apply depending on the host. Some users report that cancellation policies can be strict, which might affect last-minute planners. In summary, the Peerspace app may be worth using if you want access to a wide range of unique venues, transparent pricing, and an easy booking process for events or creative projects. However, if you live in an area with fewer listings or prefer low-budget venue options, it might not offer everything you need. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.